nice to have breakaway flashers. Just flashers they make them.
It's better to keep those rods sideways like that.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what's the problem.
Maybe that's what.
It's just when that flasher pops out like that, you get all
Like your
that
bass
weird
fishing.
slack.
Just keep that rod sideways.
I wish I just like cable
Keep
line
it
and you
down.
could just put a
As
taser
soon as I
to
can
it.
keep those rods high, that's when they like to shake a lot. I don't know.
That is right there.
Don't ask me.
Well, I know this. You got.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. There we go. Come on, baby.
Oh, do we need to reel this front rod in, Stuart?
Oh, yes. Yeah, baby. I think he's a keeper, is he?
Keeper?
Nice. Beautiful
Oh,
fish.
you get the black one. Where's the fish whacker?
Hey, pull a little slack out of that. See how he goes.
Someone's eating tonight. You want to whack him? There we go. One of those for my kids.
All right. Yeah.
Nice
You
fish.
got that one good.
Not
Yeah.
really. I mean,
Nice
one head
fish.
shake. Hey, Barbara.
One head shake away.
It worked.
Woohoo!
I know Meg's pretty good last night.
What are you on? Did you?
Don't rush me.
Yeah, a little
Don't let that son of a bitch go.
Is it a jack?
No, it's a king.
Oh,
He just didn't know he was hooked or something.
that's funny as hell. That is funny as hell.
My dad had like a 18
Haven't seen
horse on it.
Didn't do that in a while.
Crazy.
That's the little one came off when you popped it.
Leave it there. I'll go fish out.
That was it. Wow.
Yeah.
Better be a keeper, damn it.
Well, he bought it so we could salmon fish out of it, and he has the neck on
You want these other ones up, or you good?
Grab that back one again. This one here.
How you doing, Fry?
He's just
Line. Finally knows he's hooked.
taking his sweet time.
Man, grab that other rod too. We'll get him all.
it. Yeah, bottom.
That one had all those Were all those beads on it when you reeled it?
No.
It's a monster.
Come on, Bill, pick back to it. Let's sink in here.
Coming, I see you. See ya.
Damn. Oh,
Keeper? Yeah.
unreal.
Back together.
Little sack there.
That's funny as hell. No fish on there? Oh yeah, sure.
Nice fish.
Very nice.
You want your picture taken?
Bighorns. Lean down. Did you get to see him when he jumped or whatever? Just the flasher?
I didn't see the flash.
Alright, it's going deep. He's going deep.
Oh yeah. He did not like the boat. He saw the boat.
Not like this.
Nice fish.
I don't think these things got a kicker.
Oh, really?
Many sockeye. We're hoping.
Coming back.
Reel all the way to the flasher.
Reel all the way to the flash.
If you can.
Still dying.
Alright. That's a big fish. Fucking yes, but that
Holy
fucking
crap. Fucking whale.
Still looking to squaw.
Lift up slow.
Let's go.
Diving over the damn boat.
It's coming up.
Yeah, he's coming. Okay, now lift slow. Lift.
Oh, yeah.
Look down. I hope so. Keeper.
Yeah!
That's what, 10 seconds? Nice work.
Holy shit.
Right here, Stan.
Yes. Yes.
Nice work.
All right.
Hell yeah.
What?
These two?
I don't know.
It's not important. Not for me, anyways. I can't eat all that. No.
Put one in each bag.
One fish?
Yeah.
I think they're going to split them up that way.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't really need one, but that's your bigger one.
Alright. Well, hey, I'm gonna jam, dude.
Thanks, man.
Alright, well, thanks.
Thank you, man.
Good to meet
Good
you.
luck.
See you again
Yeah.
soon.
Have fun. We'll see you. Yeah. Take care.
Don't have too much fun in the